Hello and welcome to Spy Trader. It's your favorite host, Chuckle McProfit, coming to you live on July 12th, 2024 at 6 p.m. Grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the latest updates on the S&P 500 with some humor to lighten things up. Let's start with the headlines affecting the S&P 500. Ned Davis Research warned of a potential stock market correction this earnings season, but analysts still predict S&P 500 earnings to grow by 5.7% in Q2, 19.2% in Q3, and 19.6% in Q4. On Friday, the S&P 500 increased by 0.6%, led by tech stocks. Enphase Energy topped the list with their new solar equipment, and Ford surged 4.2% thanks to 0% financing on electric vehicle leases. On the downside, Wells Fargo saw a dip in net interest income, and Delta Airlines missed profit estimates. The IPO market has been varied. The first half of 2024 saw 80 IPOs generating $17.8 billion, but uncertainties in elections and interest rates may dampen the second half. Now, what do these developments mean for your investments? Ned Davis Research's warning of a correction is crucial. If earnings don't meet expectations, expect volatility. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Despite hiccups, the tech sector, led by companies like Enphase Energy and Ford, shows promise. Banks are a mixed story, with some thriving while others struggle with rising costs and declining incomes. This can lead to sector volatility. Potential Federal Reserve rate cuts add complexity. Higher than expected PPI figures suggest inflation pressures, but a Fed rate cut in September remains likely, which could benefit equities. Bottom line, focus on tech and renewable energy stocks for long-term growth. 2. Be cautious with financial stocks. Diversify within the sector, favoring banks with strong earnings. 3. Monitor earnings reports closely. Companies consistently beating expectations could be good investments. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Consider smaller caps and value shares to spread risk. Before I sign off, here's a joke. What do you call a credit union that only gives loans to poets? A pros and cons bank. That's all for today on Spy Trader. The stock market is a roller coaster, but with the right knowledge and humor, you can enjoy the ride. This is Chuckle McProfit signing off. Catch you in a few hours for our next update.